Ah, the satisfying sound of cracking knuckles. But here's the question, does cracking your knuckles actually cause arthritis? You've probably heard your grandma say, "Stop that, you'll get arthritis." But, is she right? Well, when you crack your knuckles, you're not breaking anything. It's just gas bubbles popping in your joints. Yup, gas, just like a soda can opening. Studies have shown that cracking knuckles doesn't increase your chances of arthritis, but it might annoy the heck out of people around you. However, if you do it too much, you could wear down your joints over time, leading to some pain or discomfort. So go ahead, crack those knuckles, just don't overdo it. No arthritis, but maybe a few raised eyebrows. Like and subscribe for more myths busted.